Alright guys, we're back for Planet Damosel. Right, I've just been on my best file and there are 40 gold bolts, so... yeah, I have no idea where they are. I'm sorry guys if I can't be any more help. I can only find 37 of them. That 37 includes the one I just haven't got, but it showed you where they were. But I'm obviously missing 3 and I can't remember for the life of me where they are, even though I've played this game a dozen times. So, yeah. But, you know, I'm going to help you with these 37, so be thankful. Right. You fuck off, you... Wait, why isn't that blowing up? Why isn't that blowing up? Right, okay. Very good. We're making progress. Ooh. Yeah, I'm really sorry guys that I just can't be any more help, but there's only so much I can remember and I seriously don't know where those last 3 are. It's gonna bug me to the bare die now, but whatever. Right, so the first one for this planet is in the bank. I think I remember mentioning this actually when I was doing this level, which was about 3 weeks ago, so it should be fresh in your mind almost. Basically, yippee-cow-hey. Guys, if I do remember where those 3 platinum bolts are, I will make a video for them, don't worry. But, you know, until I can remember, then there'll be no video for them. Right, and the last one is just outside the bank as far as I can remember. You can all die. Right, so here you're going to need the hypnomatic. Right, alright, there we go, finally. And there we go. Right guys, so we'll be right back for Planet Grobin. Only 2 more planets to go. Be right back.